What's up, Idoan here, and today I'm making a small video about meal preparation, about cooking. Yeah, and I'm gonna cook a perfect pasta with processed meat from Turkey and some macaroni and tomato pasta. Of course I got a meat and it's already burning, and the tomato pasta, and I already done a macaroni themselves. I'm also planning to add an onion just because I can.
What is that? Is it bad thing? I don't know. Is this onion spoiled? No, I'm not spoiled. I'm just alright. Let's go!
Yeah, probably I should wash the onion first, right?
Just a small piece like this.
That's perfect. Now I'm adding onion to the meat. Okay.
Oh, it's so hot.
Okay.
Ta-da!
The meal is ready. I'm probably gonna add some water to make it more juicy. Now it's time for a cheese. Adding the cheese. Here I have a pan with the macaroni. And some ketchup. The whole meal costs about $5, and that's like for 2 or 3 persons.